I request now all of you to mute yourself, and we are going to go ahead with personality leading to an exponential growth. So guys, who I am your moderator for today's session. This is Dr. Anubha Mauryawalia. I am a bachelor's from Lady Shri Ram College, and I have received a PhD from, on the topic called followership style and leadership style in selected manufacturing and service sector. I've been the first lady in India to research on followership. That's the credit to ourselves. I've got a good 20 years of rich experience. Have worked with the, Fortune 500 company like Honeywell. I have worked with the second leading bank of India, which is ICICI Bank, and Moody's ICL certification. In this, I was heading the L&D and the quality vertical. I've also been internationally certified by DDI USA, MindGym UK, Australian Institute of Management Australia, Six Sigma Change Agent by Quality Assurance of India. Guys, with the recipient of Emerging HRD Thinker Award, I was fortunate enough to form a company by the name of Prisma Philosophy. And our philosophy is nothing but a research component. And the acronym turned out to be prepare, respect, implement, share, and maintain. So guys, we have today with us for today's session, that is Nishi Agrawal. She is a bachelor and postgrad who has worked in a blue chip organization like Audi, Honda, and she has been certified by us only on the Prisma philosophy. She has already trained 5,000 professionals and associated with the various blue chip and organization as well as a premier institute. She is delivering soft skills and behavioral program on behalf of us. She is excellently and best known for her engagement workshop throughout a series of excitement, factual correlations, and empowering others. So that's what I have for Nishi. So Nishi, you are there. I can see. And I hand it over to you.
Yeah.
All to you, Nishi. Thank you so much.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Such a pleasure to be a part of this initiative. I hope I'm visible and audible enough.
Yes, you are very much.
Okay. Good morning to one and all present there. This is Nishi Agrawal. So I'll give a brief introduction of mine and then soon start with the presentation. So I have started my journey with the automobiles industry, worked with some top-notch brands like Audi and Honda. And then in the middle, I just felt that there's a profound inclination towards soft skills training. And so I got myself certified as a soft skills trainer under Prism. And since then, I have been a corporate trainer and a visiting faculty with some of the leading institutes. This is all about myself. And I just want to add one more thing in today's session. I've seen and I've been witnessing that the audience here is incredibly talented. So I just request all of you, if you can pour down, if you can support and if you can pour down the chat box with some amazing responses with the activities that flows by. Just want to add one more thing. Personality is all about discovering each other. So I would request if you can come up with some interesting answers and, some introspection, and let's make this session a fun-filled and a joyful ride. On this note, I switch off my video mode so that we can have a better connectivity and accessibility. Thank you so much, guys, for the participation. Thank you. Deepest gratitude. And then we start with the session. Ma'am, I'm audible enough?
Yes, you're audible enough. Thank you so much, Nishi.
All right. Okay. So the session is personality leading to exponential growth. When we say personality leading to exponential, what I have done is to make this a cakewalk. I have covered personality into a 4C concept, where the first C would stand for configuration of skills. The second C would stand for communication. The third C would stand for compassion. And the fourth C would stand for consistency. So this is the 4C concept. Now, moving ahead to the next slide. Guys, when I talk about configuration of skills, there's one point that I would like to make. When we talk about configuration of skills, it's more like what are the skills that you need and that you require to enhance your personality, to make yourself outstanding and set apart from the crowd. So when I actually came up with there were certain points that I came up. So the first, it's basically a 3A principle that I came across, wherein the first would state awareness. Awareness about an individual and also about the trade, the craft, the professional aspect that you deal with. And the second is appearance, which is so important in today's time, the way you present yourself, guys. And the third and the final is achievement. How is that you've achieved your things throughout, the accomplishments that you have throughout. Moving ahead, ma'am, I would like your support for this activity. So there's an activity. If you can please request you all to please pour in your answers in the chat box. Use the chat box. The activity says 2 things that make you happy and you're practicing it this quarantine.
All right. So guys, I would request, there is a request which has come, Nishi, for you. Could you just, increase the volume of your audio? That is one, because it is not coming clear, right? Okay. So guys, request you to use your chat box and please write down the 2 things that makes you happy, which you have been practicing in this quarantine. All of you guys. Okay, Atul says learning which says learning new things. Jitendra says supporting each other. Vishali says cooking and research on stock market. Amazing. Siddharth says
that's lovely.
Music, cooking and family bonding, home cooking food. Rupesh says family bonding. Shampa says reading and practicing yoga and laughter yoga. Interesting. Abhijit says learning and humility, painting, looking great, yoga, reading, flying, making new food recipe, upskilling and the cross-skilling, family and learning, being with the family and learning, meditation and gardening, watching birds by Jitendra, that's beautiful, walking,
that's amazing.
Prisma by Lakshya. Thank you so much, Lakshya. Truly
superb.
So thank you so much, guys. So we could get that. Yes.
Some beautiful, thank you so much, ma'am. Some beautiful responses and answers. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I hope I'm audible enough now.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes. Thank you so much.
All right. So, okay, moving on to the next slide. Okay, when I was talking about awareness, the 3A principle and the configuration of skills, awareness of an individual. When I say awareness of an individual, the first point that comes into play is introspection. Talking about introspection, what does introspection actually mean? It means when your heart and your mind gets aligned to your soul. That's the first aspect of introspection. Second thing is the self-realization. The third and the self-realization in a way wherein you actually get to feel a lot about yourself, wherein you get to realize the mistakes that you might have committed. You find out the solution to it. And the final is the subconscious mind. So I just want to make a point here. The subconscious mind, guys, plays a significant role in our lives, which we actually don't pay much attention to. But then if you feed your subconscious mind with ample amount of positivity, warmth, and love, what happens is the reflection that it has in the conscious mind, it goes to another level altogether. So this is all about introspection. I hope, guys, you do practice it and become a better person all the way. Then the second point is strategic time blocking and prioritization. Okay, when we say that, we have a urgent important principle. Now, urgent is what we have put it on the x-axis. Important principle is what we have put on the y-axis. Coming down to the first quadrant, which says the activities which are important enough, but they're not urgent. So, talking about the first quadrant, we should always plan our activities as per the first quadrant, wherein all the planning, the productive affair, and the long-term planning, the goals basically falls in the first quadrant. The second quadrant is urgent and important. So this phase, which is like a short time thing, which we're supposed to do it on an immediate basis, like a crisis that has happened, or you're supposed to design an presentation on an immediate basis, and MIS has just have to prepare an MIS. So these are basically the crisis situation. And the third quadrant is not important, not urgent. So this is more like a distraction that we can do it. This is not important and not urgent. And the final is urgent but not important. So this is like a phone call or an email which does not require an immediate response, and we can do it and we can